right, new week, new run. Back at it once again. Kind of a last minute load. Was planning to take off the rest of the weekend. We've lost an extended family member at the lake. We're going to do a service for him tomorrow, a celebration of life tomorrow at the lake. So I plan to take off the rest of this weekend and load up beginning of next week. But broker called about an hour and a half, 2 hours ago and offered a load to me. Pick up today, then I can deliver it whenever. So this is a no rush kind of a deal. It's a cowling or something for a jet. So we're at Tinker loading up, or we're waiting at the gate to get in to get loaded up. It may be a while. It's a little busy, even though it's 1:30 in the afternoon. There's still a lot of traffic at the gate. So I apologize. I'm not shaved. My hair's not cut. Kind of a last minute run out the door kind of a situation, but loading up, headed to Norfolk, Virginia this time. East Coast. It's different. Usually I'm West Coast bound. We're going to run east this time. So early mornings, driving right into the sun. It's going to be fun, but it is what it is. You drive into the sun on the way back from the West Coast. So 6 1 half dozen or the other, it does not matter. But yeah, loading up, getting a cowling, headed to Norfolk, Virginia. Check in with you guys here in a little while. See you. guys, one pick, one stop, 2,800 bucks, $2.20 a mile. Let's head to Norfolk, Virginia. All right, so we picked up this load on Friday. Today's Monday. We're on the road, headed towards Norfolk, Virginia. We're going to make it as far as we can tonight. I've got planned to stop. It's in eastern Tennessee, Lenoir, Lenior, Lenoir City, Tennessee. Excuse me. Still congested. I don't know what it is. Allergies, fall time. I don't know. Still congested. But headed east. We're going to stop in Lenoir City, Tennessee tonight. And then we've got about 8 hours. We'll drive tomorrow. We should be in Norfolk. This one's weird. It's 2 days out, 2 days back. No 34-hour reset. I tried to find some freight to go with it, a partial. Usually I'm headed out west, and there's very little, if any, freight going west. This time I'm going east. Now there's freight on the load board. All kinds of stuff going west. There's nothing really going east. There was stuff going into Texas, New Mexico. I found some Colorado stuff, Utah stuff. Nothing going east. Nothing that piqued my interest. If you're under 50 cents a mile on the load board, I'm not even going to call you. If you're a broker and you're watching this, get over it. I'm not taking your cheap freight. Not going to happen. But I'll keep searching along the way. When I get stopped this afternoon, this evening, I'll look again and see what I can find. And then I'll start, since it's such a short out and back run, I'll start looking for freight coming back this way from Virginia, from Norfolk. So 2 days out, 2 days back. Plan to be home for the weekend. And then we'll load up again next week, and who knows where we go from there. We'll see. This is the first time I've taken a military. Well, I guess not. I went to Camp Lejeune. I went to North Carolina. There hasn't been much military freight going east out of Tinker. Maybe there is, and my guy just likes me running west. He's the broker I use. He's a good guy. I appreciate him every day. If you're watching, Mike, appreciate you. Appreciate you more than you know. But yeah, headed east this time, Norfolk, Virginia. We'll check in with you guys here in a little while. See you. Pretty good.
Where are you driving from today?
I started in Eufaula, Oklahoma, about 2 hours east of Oklahoma City.
Okay. What state's your truck registered in?
Oklahoma.
Okay. All right. Can I see your CDL?
Non-cdl.
Oh, okay. Driver's license.
26,000.
Okay. When's the last time you had an inspection?
I was in Kansas about 2 months ago.
Okay. Is this your company you're operating?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right, so if you'll pull over into this first one, not the second one.
Okay.
There's a bunch of debris in the second one.
Okay.
And bring everything in. We'll get you on your way, okay?
10-4. All right, so coming out of Arkansas, going into Tennessee, the last way station in Arkansas before you hit Memphis. Pulled in, pulled through, and he told me, pull over, we're going to give you level 1. So, got that out of the way. Another perfect level 1. The only thing I've ever been hit for on inspections was window tint. And that was one time in my very first truck, my Laramie, before I switched out and got this truck. But the tent come off right after I got that. But another perfect level 1 inspection. Yet again, I think it's what, 8, I think. So yeah, at least we got another inspection out of the way. If we get pulled over anytime the next week, they're gonna run my numbers and see that, and they'll just kick me on down the road. So at least it's out of the way. But continuing east, at this point, my shift and my brake is aligned. So we'll see where I land tonight. Probably won't be where I thought I was going to be, like usual. But we'll make it as far east as we can tonight and shut it down. We'll figure it out somewhere along the way. We'll check in with you guys here in a while. See you.